The province of Buenos Aires in Argentina experienced severe flooding that submerged numerous cities and rural areas, causing serious repercussions for residents, agriculture, and infrastructure. Unprecedented amounts of rainwater accumulated, prompting authorities to declare a state of emergency and warn of further widespread impacts. Several areas in the north and west of the province were severely affected, with rainfall exceeding 200 to 400 millimeters in a short period, leading to flash floods, inundated roads, and land loss. Rural and agricultural areas were among the hardest hit, with hundreds of thousands of hectares of land submerged, closing farms and putting crops at immediate risk. Factors exacerbating the flooding included rapid rainfall accumulation, poor drainage systems, and rising river and stream levels in the region. Furthermore, many agricultural lands were already waterlogged and unable to absorb further rainfall.
¿Cuál? ¿La fulana está acá a la vuelta?
Sí, salía a las 5 de la mañana.
¿A las 5 de la mañana estaba así? Yo estaba acá a la vuelta y el mío también, pero más tarde, a las 6, estaba en la calavera. Mirá.
No, qué triste.
Pero acá es increíble lo que hizo. No, es increíble lo que hizo.
Perhaps most notably, these floods affected not only urban areas but also agricultural production and livestock farming, as flooded lands could only be used after periods of drought or technical intervention. Local authorities declared a red alert in some areas, and images of flooded homes and streets were published, with thousands of residents evacuated from their homes. The government also decided to establish legal frameworks and financial support for small farmers and those affected by the floods. A state of agricultural emergency was declared in several rural districts within the province.
Se lo está llevando al auto. Se lo está llevando, Josué. Se lo ha llevado.
Y se le ve la bicicleta.
Para allá, mucho peor.
Esta mierda.
Y media de la mañana, la inundación.
Bueno, les quiero mostrar cómo estamos acá en San Martín, con los coches.
Against all of this, the floods in the province highlight a dual challenge. One is how to strengthen filtration and drainage infrastructure to withstand heavy rainfall, and the other is how to support the agricultural economy, which represents a significant part of the region's activity. Dealing with these floods requires a comprehensive plan that includes building drains and flood channels, regulating land use, and adapting to a changing climate that increases the severity of such events. Please share the video with your friends. Please support us by liking and subscribing to the channel to receive all that is new. Thank you for watching.